This is by far the coolest room in my house. Okay, so up here, check that out. He's got some really cool Star Wars posters up on his walls. Yeah, right there. Has a little BB-8 down in the corner. Look at that cool Yoda picture. My daughter actually painted that for him several years ago. He's got some cool things around the room here. That's Harry Potter. Really cool Star Wars stuff. Captain America. I thought that was cool, and I got that for him, I think at Hobby Lobby or something. So he's got these figures in his case. Oh, the light is glaring. Look at that. Check that out. Check out those figures. And he started this case up here. And he has some on his wall. And then there's some over the window right there. And look at this. He's been collecting the bigger figures. Oh my gosh. Check that out. He's got this stuff stacked. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? And then this is amazing. This R2D2, guys, he built this thing from a 3D printer. This thing is awesome. It is super tall. It's like 3 feet tall. It has moving parts on it. The head moves. It is really cool. The only thing it doesn't do, it's not robotic. So here is, there's Jabba the Hutt in his case. And last year he switched rooms and he didn't have his stuff in a case. These cases over here. So when we switched his room out, we bought cases. He bought some cases. I helped him to stay protected and free of dust. There is Millennium Falcon and the Death Star's back there in that cubby. And these are just really, really awesome. So here's the full Star Wars figures from those boxes up there. Check that out. Check this out. He's added lights. Reflection, reflection. Ooh, that one is hard to see. See if I can turn it around. Okay, that was weird. My camera cut off on me. So all these kits, he did all of these Lego kits when he was a teenager. And he's just been collecting this stuff over the years. Really cool stuff here. He just started collecting these, what, last year, I think? These really cool figures. Hi. I have glares. Very cool stuff. Anyway, I thought I would share. Let's see. Oh, let's see over here. He's made these little dioramas. They're super cool. Look at that. He took a cubby and he put plexiglass on it. There's The Walking Dead. And then there is a Darth Vader down there. So he loves to make these scenes. He's very creative. There's a scene right there. And then this is getting over by his TV. So he's got some gaming system stuff set up over here. There's another Star Wars scene. There's Star Wars Funko. There's another Jabba, the smaller one. There's his VR headset. And then there's another Star Wars right there. So just really cool stuff. Alrighty guys, so that is it for today. I just wanted to share my son's super cool room. It just amazes me how hard that he's worked on a lot of that stuff over the years, and he just enjoys collecting Star Wars figures and other figures, and you know, even Lego stuff as well. you never know. Maybe one day he'll become a millionaire from all the stuff that he collects and builds, you know, with his Legos and all that other stuff. So, couple of things. I sold this DVD set right here. That's a good bolo item. Probably people more in the Dallas area may find these. Marriage Today is based out of Dallas. I sold this one right here for $45 plus shipping. Bought it sealed at the thrift store for less than $2. The other one that I sold that I was talking about in a previous video is this one right here. This one I actually think I took a best offer of $80 off of plus shipping. Same thing, it was sealed. It was the newer version. That's why that one went for a little bit more. So that's a good bolo item for you Dallas people. Marriage Today is based out of Dallas. It is a training set of DVDs for church groups, for little couples life groups. They like to do the Marriage Today training. Really awesome if you can find something like that sealed. I was shocked. I found two of them. The one that went for $45 was just a little bit, it was a 2005 edition, but it was also sealed. So I did sell that. Then the other thing that I am waiting to see if he accepted, well, not accepted my offer, but somebody made a bid on some window, I can't think of what it's called. Some window latches. That is what I was looking for. So somebody sent me an offer for some window latches. These latches I got out of another auction lot with several different items. Paid $3 for this whole lot. I am shaking my iPad right now, but I paid $3 for the whole lot. And these latches, somebody sent me an offer and I accepted it, and I'm just waiting for them to pay. So I'm still chugging along, guys. I'm still chugging along. So I appreciate all of you guys. Please like my video if you like this content. There is a cat that is climbing back there. She's down in the mess. The cats are turds, and there's the other one. They're cute, but they are little naughty little boogers sometimes. But please like my video if you like this content. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Help me build my channel. I would much appreciate it. And that is it. And I will see you next time.